Did you know your Samsung phone's always-on display can look completely different in One UI 9? In this video, I'll show you every customization option. Let's see how to customize always-on display in Samsung One UI 9. Open the app drawer and tap Settings app. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Always on Display. Toggle it on. Here you can fully customize AOD to your Samsung One UI 9 devices. 4 settings are available. 1. Show lock screen wallpaper. It will automatically show your lock screen wallpaper to your AOD screen. Toggle it on or off you want to set. 2. Erase background. It removes the background of your lock screen wallpaper. You can see it on the AOD screen. 3. Show Now bar. Want to see live sports scores, breaking news, maps navigation, media controls, and other live updates directly on your always-on display? We've covered everything in a separate video. Check the link in the description or tap the I button for the full guide. 4. When to show. Here, you can change when AOD appears. Choose from Tap to Show, Auto, Always, as schedules, or for new notifications. Lock your Samsung phone and tap on the screen to view always-on display information. Samsung also provides additional AOD customization through Good Lock Lockstar module on supported Galaxy devices. Check the links in the description for AOD customization using Good Lock app to your Samsung Galaxy phone. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Samsung One UI 9 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.